of this multiplying by 3?
Dividing by 3.
Dividing by 3. Thank you, Kamari. Thank you. I know we just did math. I know you just had math class. I know it might not be the best to go straight from math into math again, but it's all good. You'll be all right. So yes, we divide. We're dividing here. So that's our second step. Doing our multiplication and dividing. We divide on both sides, get rid of these 3s, so x ends up equaling -7. And we can go back and check by plugging in that -7 for our x. Again, going over the notes. Keep on going. Everybody meet me on page 7. Meet me on page 7. So after we move the constant, what should we do next? We did that already. We already went by that part by talking through it. Important. In order to remove the coefficient is the number next to our variable. We must perform the opposite operation, sometimes meaning multiplying by the reciprocal. Some might see this as dividing by 3, while others see this as multiplying by 1/3. I'll put that part in there. That's just confusing. So remember, you're just going to do the opposite. Don't worry about multiplying by the reciprocal. Just know we're going to do the opposite. So first, this is going to be my teacher model. What is my first step? I know it says teacher model, but y'all always going to help me on my teacher model. So what's my first step? Who can help me with my first step? If I taught y'all at some point, y'all all know my first step. What's my first step in solving this equation? What do I want to do first? Before I do any math, Chase, what do I always do first before I solve my equation? Either be a 1-step, 2-step, multi-step. What do I do first? Anaya, what did I do first today in class? My line, there we go. We draw that line down our equal sign. Let me change that color so it's easier to see. See, red is going to be, we'll be able to see red. All right, so draw that line down our equal sign. That's how we just separate our equation. We have our left side and we have our right side. And now, Chase, what did you say we should do? What should I do, Chase? I like this better when y'all talk to me, but that's just me. Okay, so yes, I'm going to add by 5, yes, because I'm subtracting 5 right here. So I'm going to do the opposite of me adding 5. Opposite of me subtracting 5, which is me adding 5. And if I add 5 on my right, what do I need to do on my left, Chase? Add 5 on my right. What do I need to do on left? Exactly, add 5 on my left as well. Make sure whatever you do to one side, you need to do it to the other side. 1 plus 5 is going to give me 6. I don't know why it came out like that. 6 equals 2q. So now what do I do next? It says 6 equals 2q, or 2 times q. Can someone help me out? What would be my?
You need to divide.
What should I divide by, Kamar?
6.
Divide by 6?
No, 2.
Divide by 2. There we go. Remember, our variable is right here. We want to get this variable by itself. That's the whole point of us doing this, to get this variable by itself. So I'm going to divide by 2. Is that all I do, Kamar?
No, you got to divide 2 on the left.
On the left, too. Great job. So 6 divided by 2 gives me what? Great job, Chase. Great job.
3.
6 divided by 2 gives me 3. These 2's get canceled out. 3 equals q. So now when we go back, we want to go back and check to make sure what we did was right. So I'm going to put a 1 equals 2. And instead of putting a q there, we know q equals what now, y'all? What does q equal?
3.
Q equals 3. So now we have 1 equals 2 times 3 minus 5. What is 2 times 3, y'all?
6.
6. We have this minus 5. We're still going to keep on going down. What's 6 minus 5?
1.
1. There we go. Does 1 equal 1? Yes, 1 does equal 1. Why are you looking at me like that? Yes, 1 does equal 1. All right, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and move on. Move on again.